Here is a wonderful 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.